Crude oil beautifully continued its retracement journey on the upwards and has hit 71.6 levels. Last week, in my daily and weekly review, I have mentioned that now, as long as 66.5 levels are not breached, we can stay bullish. We are looking forward to 71.2, 72.4 zone. Can we expect oil to rise further? Can we expect oil to continue here towards the top of it, towards 78, 79 levels? Or there is a possibility of a reversal and reversal from 74, 75. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil WTI in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies. So watch till the end. And this is a weekly review, and this is the only channel to give you detailed analysis twice a day, first with the Asia session, next with the US session, with clear entry points and targets. Do not miss to watch the daily updates. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Now, let's start first with look into the weekly chart. Earlier this month, we have seen oil hitting the lows at 65, 64.8, the levels we have seen 17 months back, way back in April 2023. And this is almost 1.5 years back. Later, now oil has hit the same levels here, hitting the zone, trying to reverse or trying to retrace a bit. As we have seen series of bearish candles, it is just trying to retrace. Now see, what has happened here in oil, the drop, the retracement, the drop here, and now it is starting to retrace. If you just connect the dots, you will find oil is been trading in this bearish channel, and now it is going to be difficult, and this is the only level that is at $80. If and only if in the near future oil breaks this zone, you can say we are looking forward for oil to hit the moon. Yes, if and only if you see oil trading beyond 80. Now, the next week, if you look at, see what has happened, a reversal sign, a stronger bullish candle closing at the top suggests that there is a possibility that we may see the prices moving towards 74 or in fact 76 levels. Possibility is higher that it can in fact keep moving towards the 76 and in fact this zone till 78, which has got greater resistance here. A stronger rise can follow with a reversal, but right now it appears that there is a possibility of a further rise in the coming week as well. So this possibility you should keep in mind. Next thing is, if you look at uh, till 74, we have to be bit cautious. It can reverse again till 74. I will not treat this as bullish. Only above 74, the chances will be high that we are looking forward to a move towards 75.5, 76 zone, and in fact higher levels, as the possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. Now, why we can say that it can still trade bearish? See, this is still trading in this bearish channel. That is the first part. Second is the crossover in the moving averages, which are trading with divergence. What it is happening right now is, after the sharper correction, it is just willing to retrace a little here on the up. And this also makes me confirm that as long as now $80 are not breached, we should not be treating oil as bullish. Now, if you look at the near term, not near term, but for the last few years post COVID, where we have seen it hitting the highs at 120, we have seen oil trading strongly bearish. And you can notice that if you treat this as bottom, which it has failed to break and stay below for last couple of years, it appears that it is largely trading in the box. Let's connect this. You can see this, and this is the box in which it is trading. Thus, it is very important for oil to either trade below 65 and 62 zone. That is the only confirmation where you can say now it is not going to come back, and we can look forward to 60 or in fact 57 level. For now, it appears that the possibility for such a drop in the coming weeks appears to be less. If you look at the stochastic, this is also after hitting the double bottom, now trying to recover. This could take it towards the double top, which means a series of bullish candles might appear from the current levels. And if you look at the MACD, now see, observe the MACD here. See, this was the dip post COVID. Then the stronger rise and then a sharper fall. Triple bottom is formed here. After forming triple bottom, first rise, then a retracement, higher lows, then a highs, and then a retracement. Now, see, again, as long as this zone is not taken, this is still under retracement. Look at the rise, just connect the dots, and a reversal from here can take the prices to sky. If you look at the divergence here, see now candles have started to diminish, prices have started to converge. Thus, it appears that the coming week might remain bullish for crude oil. And now, where you should buy? Again, 71.4, 71.6 is the first resistance zone, 72 the second. Once oil stays above 72, I will look forward to 72.4, 72.5 as the first target, 73.1, 73.6, and 74 as the next targets. Beyond 74 is where you can say that the bulls are waiting, and then we can look forward to a move towards, in fact, 75.5, 76, or in fact higher levels as well. The sharper the drop calls for a greater reversal as well, but again you have to watch out for the next or in this month of September, where we have 6 trading sessions left. We have to watch out more closely where it closes towards the end of the month. If you look at the RSI, this is also after hitting the lows now trying to recover, trying to bounce back, and it has the scope for a further rise. Let's have a look at the month. On the monthly charts, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, lower highs, lower lows. And yes, if you look at the formation here, see this, then this fall has appeared after retracing and delivering lower lows. Now see, the support levels are intact, and that also makes this zone as a stronger support zone. For last 3 to 4 years, we have not seen oil closing below 65 level. The last time when we had seen such levels or closing below these levels is way back in beginning of 2021. And if you look at the formation, yes, right now it is skewed slightly on the downside, and it appears after this great dip it is trading in this channel, and that is what also makes me confirm that as long as now $80 levels are not taken, we should be not treating oil for a reversal here. Moving averages have started to converge but not yet crossed over. If you look at the stochastic, this is still looking down and is trying to show slight bearishness. Thus, it appears that the current candle or the month of September might stay or close at around 74. Even if it tries to rise, we can see a comeback towards 74, and then the reversal might appear. Look at the MACD. This is the most important thing, and this is what I have been sharing since long. Look at the formation here. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Two waves done. The fifth leg is about to begin. Only thing is when it begins, this month, next to next month. The reversal is going to be there, which is going to stay for long. We have not seen oil reversing the trends very, very soon. And the second round of rise is going to be extremely, extremely bullish. Only thing I am waiting for is when does it happen. This current candle closing in green, this next candle trading bullish, taking the prices towards 80, and then the month of November and December will arrive where it is going to show the true colors. So this possibility which I am looking at. RSI has dropped here and it is right now looking downwards, trading bearish. Coming to look at the daily charts, divide this into two and just look at the formation. It has achieved this, it has achieved this. Next is a move towards or like this, which can do a complete recovery, which means we can wait for it to move towards this zone very, very soon. That is 72.6, 72.4, 72.5, 73, and 74. Yes, this zone can be expected very soon in crude oil. It can be with the first trading session in the coming week. Look at the formation here. See this. See, bulls definitely, the bears are stronger and the bulls are a bit shy from such a stronger rise, but in the coming week, if you see trading beyond 71.6, you can initiate a buying entry. Just be a little cautious still towards 72.4. And once it stays beyond 72.4, I think we are looking forward to a greater rise. And if it breaks beyond 74, you can look forward to further bullish momentum in crude oil prices. Now look at the formation on the daily chart. See, this is the drop here. This is the retracement. This is the drop here. There could be retracement. Now retracement where it can take it towards this zone in the near future. Let's see if it breaks this zone. Stochastic back to overbought levels. The MACD, if you look at, first, second, and now after the crossing over, it appears that it can hit or break this levels as well. Yes, a stronger bearish momentum is seen. This is almost the lows from where the reversal can be expected. Plus 200 is where we have seen it dropping. Plus 200, plus 200, we have seen it dropping. Minus 200, minus 200, we have seen it reversing. So a reversal can be expected and a further rise can be expected in the crude oil in the coming week. RSI is rising, coming to 4. Likewise, on the 4-hour chart, my one concerning point is, see the slope here and here. The slope here is bit steep, the slope here is bit gradual. This suggests that there is bullishness, but this is still a retracement, not a reversal. Now look on the 4-hour charts, the crossover here in the moving average definitely is a good sign for the bulls. The higher lows and the higher highs are seen here. And now once it breaks beyond 71.6 and 72 levels, you can just stay bullish. We can look forward to a tremendous rise. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is still bullish and it has still scope for further rise, though I can see hitting the highs it could try to reverse. RSI is rising as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade crude oil, natural gas, all the global commodities, be it gold and silver or any other commodities which is traded across the world, and also indices, currency, crypto, whatever, name an instrument you can trade there. And yes, it offers a safer and regulated environment along with easier transactions and withdrawals. And it also offers you a safe-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first, let's talk about the levels to buy. In the coming week, I will recommend you to buy here at 71.4, 71.6 zone. Expect a move towards 72, 72.5. And once it breaks this zone, chances are high that we may see it breaking 73.1, 73.6, 73.8, or rather, let me see, 73.6 and 74. Beyond 74 is where the bulls are waiting. Beyond 74 is where we can look forward to a move towards 74.75, 75.5 and 76 levels. And I do not see that in coming week it is going to break 76, but yes, bullishness may prevail. And only thing is how it behaves till 74. First of all, whether it is moving towards 74 or not, and if it does show a move, how it behaves at 74. This is something you should watch out for, because beyond this there is another round of good bull run which is waiting here for crude oil. On the sell, despite we having bullish perspective, we should not forget that there is always two sides of a coin. It shows you bullishness and it trades bearish. This is very much possible. So now I will recommend you, see, you can sell here at 71, but again, as I say, 70.4, 70.2 is the first support zone which it needs to break. Then 69.75, 69.3, and if it breaks this, you can look forward to 68.4, 67.8. If and only if oil breaks below 67.8, we can stay bearish. We can look forward to 67.2, 66.5, and then a round of crash will begin. Chances for this happening appears to be less as far as my experience is concerned, and there could be a little retracement. There is a possibility for a move towards 69.6 at worst. That is what I'm talking about, and then a reversal from those levels is what you can look forward to. Though, as far as my understanding goes, I still look forward to a stronger momentum here in crude oil. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Singlers channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support that. Thank you very much. Do not miss to watch every day the two updates which I share for crude oil. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.